Look at here. You are taught by me. Suppose I say to you, I teach you, or I am saying that you are taught by me. Both meaning are same. Both meaning are same. But voice can be represented in two ways. Represented in two ways. Once again, try to understand. I teach you. Here I is doer and here you is receiver. In another sentence, you is receiver and me is also here doer.
Can we
But
write?
no, don't try to. Only try to understand only. B may understand what is active voice. When doer is the subject in a sentence, in a sentence is called active voice. Another, when passive voice. When receiver is the subject in a sentence is called passive voice. Once again, understand here. Firstly, you should understand what is doer and what is receiver. What is doer and what is receiver? Doer who is working. You are studying, you are working. I am teaching. That is why I am called teacher. Who is directing? That is called director. Who is driving? That is called driver. Okay. Who is conducting? That is called conductor. That means who is working? That is called doer. A doer is always subject. Doer is always
Sir,
subject.
you have
Mm,
written
yeah.
only what be said. It is what to be said.
What is here?
The first.
Listen. What is here? Pronoun. Okay. Not it is here question mark. What be said? What means here? What is the meaning of what is here? Jo. Okay. You may call here conjunction. It is connecting this word. It is not a question word. What we said. What did you listen? Once again, understand.
Okay.
I teach you. It means I am working. I am teaching and you are receiving knowledge. I am doing and you are receiving. I am teaching, you are learning. Teaching means something is doing, receiving means you are learning something. That's why you are receiver and I am doer. I am giving you and you are receiving. That's why I am called doer and you are called receiver. But listen here. In this sentence, subject is doer, but in this sentence, receiver is subject. What is the meaning? I teach you, मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाता हूँ. And you are taught by me. तुम मेरे द्वारा पढ़ाए जाते हो. Here meaning are same, but the way of speaking is different. What is the way of speaking? Here doer is subject and here receiver is subject. When doer is subject in a sentence, that is called active voice. And when receiver
Sir.
is subject, that is called passive voice. Is it
Sir.
clear? Yes.
So this is like direct and indirect speech.
No. Direct and indirect speech is another thing. Now, in that sentence, a speaker will be present, listener will be present, and a statement will be different. Okay, that is another thing. But here is another thing. A speech, that means direct speech. What did you say? You can change that sentence according to tense, but here you cannot change here. Present will be present, past will be past, future will be future. Okay. Now you can copy it. After that, we will write some examples. Just look, copy it, write it.
Sir, active
Yes,
voice
sir.
and passive voice are the types of voice.
Yes, types of voice.
Sir, you have not given the heading.
1, 2 types of voice.
Sir, we have to write only this thing or examples also.
Examples also.
Sir, my English, my annual exam in English grammar is coming, sir.
In which exam?
Annual exam, sir.
Annual
Sir,
exam.
in 2 number, what is written?
2 number passive voice. PASSIV, passive voice. When receiver is the subject in a sentence, is called passive voice.
Sir, in second, what is written after when the receiver?
Is the subject in a sentence.
Yes, sir. In my annual exam, voice is coming, sir. Reported in my
Yes,
exam.
yes.
Preposition, connectors, voice, reported speech, conjunctions, clauses,
Okay.
non-adjective, adverb.
Okay, we will cover all of them. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have you written everyone?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Don't worry.
Sir, that Vajya is Voice Hindi meaning, sir.
Voice, watch.
Okay, sir.
Shivani and Bittu Raj, Ronak Raj, Rosni. Just on your video. Shivani, Rosni. Ronak,
Yes, sir.
on your video. Okay. I am erasing now, okay?
No, sir.
No, sir, then what are you doing? Just write fast.
Done, sir.
Done.
Sir, don't erase the last.
Okay.
So, sir, please.
Now listen. Now we will study about how to find a object. If you are going to study about voice, firstly you need subject, verb, not verb. After subject, you will need auxiliary verb, then main verb, then object. Look at here. Passive voice.
Sir,
Active
your short
voice.
form, sir.
No. Yes, always third form.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Sir, now
Don't.
you
what
can
is yes,
erase the
sir?
last one.
Subject plus auxiliary verb oblique main verb plus object. Look at here. First is
Sir, we have to
Oh.
write the formula.
I open the door. No, don't write now. Only try to understand here. I open the door. Or you can write here, I am opening the door. Third number. I opened at 9 a.m. Just look at here. One sentence I will write again. Sentence more. I opened easily. It is What is subject in this sentence? I is subject. It is verb and it is object. In this sentence, this is subject. This is auxiliary verb. This is main verb. This is object. Okay. Here also, it is subject. It is main verb. Would you tell it is object?
No,
It will be called other words. It is not object. Okay. It is subject. It is main verb. And it is also other words. If you are going to change passive voice, okay, then you need subject. But it may be changed as an object. It may be changed as an object. Would you write it as a subject? 9am. Would you start a sentence with the help of 9am
Sir,
as a subject?
No, sir.
No. Easily. Would you start a sentence with the help of easily word?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Now listen here. Firstly, we will know that we have studied verb, transitive verb. Second is intransitive verb. I have already taught. Transitive verb means a sentence who gives answer of what or whom. Intransitive means a sentence who gives answer where, why, when, how. It means only after two words, what or whom, every question word is coming in the intransitive. Only what and whom answers of transitive verb. If you have answer of what or whom, then that can be changed in passive voice. Otherwise, that sentence cannot be changed in passive voice. Look at here. It is subject, verb, object. Subject, auxiliary verb, main verb, object. It is subject, main verb, other words. Subject, main verb, other words. I will write more sentence. You went to Patna. Listen, it is answering where. It is answering how. It is answering when. It is answering what. It is answering what. Did you understand, everyone?
yes, sir.
You have to understand only those things. You have to add question word before the main verb. If you are able to understand that where you can put WS word, that means you are on the path of learning voice. Did you understand it, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If
Sir,
you
I am
understood,
unable to understand that why went is known as where. It will be, sir, what?
where did you go? Patna is the name of a place, and place always answers where, WHERE. Am I right or wrong?
No. Yes, sir.
This
Sir,
is
there it should be written before, but why it is written before went?
went. Sorry, where, when not. Where. Okay. When you will write here. When the time is given, you have to add when. When location is given, you have to add where. Then that is manners. You can write here how.
How?
Okay, just write it.
बिट्टू बाबू प्लीज शो योर वीडियो बिट्टू
Sir, we have to write transitive verb and intransitive verb also.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay.
कहाँ मेरा मोबाइल क्या बेटा
Why?
टेबल पे दे रहे हैं ना वो।
22.
You may also write here. Listen. It
But-
is
Sir,
transitive verb. It is also transitive verb, but it is
Sir?
intransitive verb. It is also intransitive verb. It is also intransitive verb. Who answers what, whom? That is transitive. Who answers when, how, where? That is intransitive verb.
Sir, why have you written what after what when?
When? You are talking about
Sir,
this.
first number. Sir, first number. Sir, first number. After
First
what
number.
it is written when?
No. It is not written where. It is written whom. Okay. I was making you understand that who answers what or whom, that is transitive. I will also write some examples after this. We have to mention also transitive verb, intransitive verb, intransitive verb, intransitive verb.
भैया अपनी जगह से उठ
Would I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm writing last. Please write.
Okay, right.
Sir, to Patna, sir, it is other words, right, sir?
Yes. I am giving you some questions. Okay. You have to find subject, auxiliary verb, main verb. In main verb, we have to identify transitive or intransitive, object, other words. Okay. You have to find about all this. Would you do it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, after MV, what written, sir?
Sir, we have to write this is active or passive.
No. You have to only mention subject, auxiliary verb, main verb. But in main verb, you have to identify also transitive or intransitive, object, and other words. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just solve it fast, everyone.
Samrit Babu, please show your video. Rajnandini, please show your video, Babu. Rajnandini Babu, please show your video. Rajnandini Babu, please show your video. Rajnandini.
Have you done, everyone?
No, sir.
Sir, 2 questions left.
Do it fast.
Six questions left.
6 questions left. What are you doing? You are wasting your time. Just
No, sir.
do your best. Now check your answer. I am solving. It is subject. It is auxiliary verb. It is main verb and transitive verb. And it is object. It is subject. It is main verb, but intransitive, not transitive. And it is other words.
Sir, we also need to find transitive or intransitive.
Yes. That is essential. That is the real thing to know about the voice. If you don't know transitive or intransitive, you may not understand what is. How can you change your voice?
Okay.
It is subject. It is main verb, and it is transitive. It is object. It is subject. It is main verb, but it is
Transitive.
not transitive. It is intransitive. If you are not able to understand which is transitive or which is intransitive, you can add here teaching. What teaching? Ran there means where ran there, where and how. It is answering where ran, there ran, how ran, fast ran. You have to add a question mark. What is the answer here according to question mark? You have to add that question mark here. Helps us. Whom helps? Goes. Where goes? Come. Where come? Support. Whom support? Reaches. Where reaches? Visits. What visits? Cracked. What cracked? Looks. How looks? Went. Where went? I have already told you what or whom. Transitive. What or whom? Transitive. And rest. Rest means where, when,
Intransitive.
why, how. Okay, all these are intransitive. Okay, we may easily write here where intransitive, support whom transitive, where intransitive, intransitive verb, intransitive verb, transitive verb. It is transitive. It is transitive verb. It is intransitive verb. It is also intransitive verb. Now you may add here, it is subject, it is other words, and it is auxiliary verb. It is subject, it is object, it is subject, and it is other words. It is subject, it is adverb, it is transitive verb, and it is object. It is subject, it is transitive verb, and it is object. It is subject, it is intransitive verb, and it is other words, or you may call here adjective here. C is subject here, is intransitive, and it is other words. Did you understand it? Any doubt, anyone?
Yes, sir.
What's your doubt?
Sir, I have no doubts.
Okay. Shruti, Rajnandani, Vituraj, Shivam, and Ronak Raj, please on your video. There are two Rajanandani here. First is on and second is off. Now both are off. Yes, one is on. Isita,
Yes, sir.
did you understand everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone whose all the answers are correct here?
Yes, sir.
Who is? Just name your.
Sir, but 11th answer is
Sir, I am doing, sir. I can't look.
Sir, I was on 7th.
sir, my
Okay.
answer
was
was correct, sir.
Okay, who has not done correctly, they can improve. Okay.
Sir, my 5th one was wrong.
तेल लग गया
Sir, my 10 number was wrong.
Okay.
The lining is coming.
Daini ji.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ लाइनिंग आ रहा है बाबू?
थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है
नहीं आ रहा है, सर.
सर बहुत लाइट है सर, कुछ फर्क
सर
नहीं पड़ता।
बहुत ज्यादा सर
Sir,
उतना
it
तो
is
शायद
okay. Sir, it is okay. Sir, they are having network problem.
Have you written now marriage?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes.
और है
Sir,
Now listen.
Radhika.
Active, passive. No, listen. Possibility of passive voice. First thing, object should be present. Object should be present. Second thing, main verb should be present. Third thing, transitive verb is essential. Okay. Fourth, intransitive verb cannot possibility निकल रुको important facts लिख देंगे important
Facts.
facts of transforming voice. Object should be present, main verb should be present, transitive verb is essential, intransitive verb cannot be changed in passive. Now here, subject, object.
Sir, Agastya is
Who is Agastya, meet yourself. I. What is the object of I? Me. B. Us. You. You. He. Him. She. Her. It. It. They. Them. Note it, everyone.
Sir, my work is finished.
जल्दी करना तो बाद में मुझे मिल रहा है सर।
Sir, Agastya again.
Agastya, you are making indiscipline activity. Just stop it.
कुल्फी का केक है। आपको बस इतना दो। లో మారుతుంది అనేది ఉంది.
Aryan Babu, please show your video. Aryan Babu, please show your video.
Just once again understand and speak up everyone. Just repeat it. Object should be present. It means if you are going to transform the voice, change the voice, object without object you cannot change. Object should be present. Second thing, main verb. Without main verb, sentence cannot be made. Sentence cannot be made, and that can also not be changed in passive voice. Third thing, transitive verb is essential. It means intransitive verb cannot be changed in passive. Only transitive verb can be changed in passive. Intransitive verb cannot be changed in passive. Okay. Now you have to remember all these things if you are going to change the voice. What is the object of I? Just repeat. Speak up, everyone.
Me.
What is the object of B?
Us.
What is the object of U?
You.
What is the object of he?
Him.
What is the object of she?
Her.
What is the object of it?
It.
What is the object of they?
Them.
I think you have written.
Yes, sir. Sir, you
Yeah.
written sir important facts of transforming voice. Sir,
Yeah.
transform is essential. Why, sir? While intransitive verb cannot be changed in passive. So, sir,
Yes.
it should be written, sir, transitive verb cannot be changed in active.
No, all the sentences are inactive. What will you speak? All sentence can be said in active voice. All the general words. If listen, what we have written, all the sentences. Okay, all the sentences are active. But you have to decide which can be changed and which cannot be changed. Where you are writing intransitive verb, that sentence cannot be changed in passive. Okay.
Sir.
I have written 1 to 11 sentence.
Sir, but how can transitive verb change into active?
No. You have to only identify which can be changed in passive and which cannot be changed in passive. Only you have to identify. All the sentences are in active voice. Okay. What we have written 1 to 11, all these sentences are in active voice. But you have to identify which can be changed and which cannot be changed. I said to you that transitive verb, where you have written transitive verb, that can be changed in passive voice. Where you have written intransitive verb, okay, that cannot be changed in passive voice. They always will be in the active voice. It cannot be changed. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now once again you have to write all the sentences what we have written 1 to 11. I would
Stop.
like to say, and you
Copy
have
them.
to decide. You have to write change, and you have to write not change.
Okay, sir.
Listen, one thing.
Sir,
One thing, just
change or
listen.
not change in passive.
Yes. You have to write active voice. Okay. You have to write passive voice. One active voice, it means 1 to 11 sentence. 1 to 11 sentence. Only you have to write this sentence changed passive, because already the heading is passive voice. Passive voice. Only you have to write
Sir, can we
change.
write, sir, passive and not
One
passive?
number, one number changed, two number not changed. Like this you have to write. What do you write it, everyone?
Yes, sir, it is too small.
Once again write all the 11 sentences, and you have to decide which can be changed and which cannot be changed.
Sir, we have to write it again.
Yes. You have to write once again 11 sentences, and all the sentences. After the sentences, you have to make a table of passive voice. Only you have to write change and not changed. Go to do it first.
Yes, sir.
Do it. I would like to check everyone. Who did it first? I will say.
Passive voice.
Sir, please.
Who is very fast? Rosni, Bitturaj, Soumya Sanskriti, on your video.
Sir, network problem.
Don't worry, but you should on your video. Don't off your video, Aryan.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how many sentences right?
11 sentences I have given. You have to write all sentence.
Okay, sir. My
Sir, my work is finished.
Finished. Who? Tell me your name.
Yes, one.
Turn. I would like to check your answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I show?
One minute. Mm. Yes, now you may show.
Sir, first number change, second number not change. And change, not change, not change, change, not change, not change, change, not change, not change.
Where are you showing? I'm not able to look that.
Sir, he is showing properly.
Okay, yes. Have you written sentences?
Yes, sir.
But in the table, where have you written changed or not changed?
I have written, please check, sir. It is written change, not change.
By using pencils or pen?
Sir, pen.
That is not visible.
Send it
Okay,
in.
one minute.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, first number can be changed, second number not changed, third number change, four number not change, five number not change, six number change, seven number not change, eight number not change, nine number change, 10 number not change, 11 number not change.
Where have you written transitive? That can be changed. And where have you written intransitive? That cannot be changed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you
Is
done
all
everyone?
correct?
No, just leave that.
Sir, I am 10th.
Now. Come on. Active.
शुभ्र बाबू प्लीज शो योर वीडियो शुभ्र रोशनी
Passive.
रौनक बाबू
I,
बिट्टू बाबू
Sir, I will on my video in 1 minute.
you are out. Why me? He sings a song. A
It's not
song
second number or first number.
is sung by her. You
Sir, what we have to do in
wrote
this?
a letter. You
Sir.
don't look into anything. A letter
Sir,
is yes. A letter is written by you. D1, D5, D2. She has done it. It has been
Sir,
done. Yes.
so in third sentence, the passive voice can be, sir, a letter was written by you.
Yes. A letter bar. You are right. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are playing football. Football is being played by you. Now, don't write anything, anyone. Important facts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V1, V5, V2, V3, V4. Is am are 2 plus B. Was, were, been, being.
Sir, we have to write this.
No, 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 no. You cannot write anything. Only you have to understand.
Sir, are my all correct?
Okay, now you can write. Write. Only you need to understand. Object of,
Sir, we have to write this all.
yes. Subject of passive auxiliary verb.
Sir, we write this one.
Yes, yes. Verb. Always be suitable preposition. Object of passive. Subject of okay, write it. After writing, I will make you understand.
Sir, please cite.
Okay.
auxiliary verb oblique what is written?
Sir, in
According-
passive,
According to verb form, according to verb form. AC means according to, okay? According to. It is the short form of according to.
sir, in passive voice, we always use by. By.
Yes, always V3. It is very important. If you do not understand it, you will not be able to change the voice. Now the real class starts from here. The main class of voice is here. Done.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, what is written in V5 R oblique 2?
According to verb form. Verb form.
Sir, important facts. Sir, in V1 or V5 is MR.
2B. 2 plus B. 2 plus B. 2 plus B.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now understand here. This part is active voice. and this part is passive voice. First rule, if you are going to change active to passive, then first rule is object of active voice. Object of active voice. Object of active voice. It is the part of active voice. Object of active voice. What is object of active voice? What is the object here?
You.
Yes. Very good. It is the object of active voice. It will be equal. It will be changed into subject of passive voice. Firstly, what will do it? It become subject of passive voice. It is the first. It becomes subject of passive voice. Any problem, anyone?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Second, okay. Second, auxiliary verb. Second is auxiliary verb. In passive voice, I am talking about only passive voice. It is the part of passive voice. First, object of active voice becomes subject of passive voice. We have done first number. We have to work 5 level. First work is done. Second work, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb in active voice, there is no auxiliary verb. Is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? Is there any
No,
auxiliary
sir.
verb in this sentence? No. If you don't have auxiliary verb, then according to verb form. According to verb form.
Verb.
What is verb form here?
Teach.
What is verb? Teach is verb. And what is the form? V1, V2, V3, V4, V5.
V1.
V1. Just look at this table. V1 or V5. What will be auxiliary verb for V1 and V5? Is, am, are. Is, am, are.
R.
You, what will take you? Is, am, or are?
R.
R.
That's why we have used R number. We have completed 2 level. We have completed 2 level. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come on, third number.
Yes.
Third level. Always V3. After using this table, after this table, always V3. Passive, always V3. V3. Always V3. Passive means third, after auxiliary verb, after table, always V3. We have completed third level. Any problem?
No, sir. All clear.
No. Now come on, 4 number. Suitable preposition. Suitable? Listen.
Position.
Person will take always by. If as a subject, person is present, always by. Second,
Written by like this.
yes. Living things always by. Living beings. Why? We are only talking about here living being. Okay. Listen. That means that's why here is person. That's why we have used y for number. And last is object of passive. Object. We have to add object. So object of passive is subject of active. Subject of active. It is active. And what is the subject of active? I. And what is the object of I? You have
Me.
remembered. You have remembered. I object
Me.
me. B object us. You object you.
You.
He object
Us.
him. He object her.
Her.
They object
They.
them. Okay. That's why we have to add object. And what is the object of I? Me. That's why we have written me. First number clear.
Yes, sir.
Bitturaj, Subra, Subra, Rosni, Ronak, Shibam.
सर उनका नाम शिव है.
What are you doing? You are doing unfair. Just on your video, Ronak, Bittu, and Shibam. If you are here, just on your video. Now come on, second number. Second number. First is object of active. Object of active, a song. A song will be one number subject. Sings V5. V5, V1, V5 is MR. A song will take is a. It is not taking M or R. That's why M. One number, two number, three number always V3. Four number of three position person according to by. And five number, what is the object of C? The C object her. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just try to understand all this. No. Just look at third number.
Sir.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now come on third number. You wrote a letter. A letter is object. A letter is object. That's why a letter becomes subject. It is wrote. Wrote means V2. There is no auxiliary verb in this, and in this. That's why we will take help from verb form. It is V2. And V2 means was or were. A letter will take was, not were. That's why we have written was. A letter was. One number, two number, three number always V3, four number always preposition, a five number object. What is the object of you? You is the object of you. 1, 2, 3. I think you should understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come on number 4. She has done it. What is the object of it? It. What is the subject of it? It. Object and subject both are same. That's why we have written it. Now here, auxiliary verb is given. Auxiliary verb is given. She is taking has and it will also take has. That's why it has, she has. Auxiliary verb is already given. That's why we have used here has. Now come on. Here, verb form is V3. Verb form is V3. And V3 will be taking here been. That's why we have written here been. 1, 2, 3. And always V3. Always V3 after using table. And 4 number by preposition. 5 number. What is the object of C? Her. Just clear it. Question 4 number. Look it very carefully. Once again. C has done it. What is the object? It. It becomes subject. C is already. If auxiliary verb is not given, according to verb form, we have to use table. If auxiliary verb is given, we have to use auxiliary verb. But V3 is here and V3 will taking here been. That's why after has we have used been. And always V3 in passive. That's why done will be done. And 4 number always preposition by here person. And what is the object of C? C is her is the object of C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
5 number. You are playing football. What is the object here? Football. Football becomes here subject. Already auxiliary verb given. You are taking here, you will take here are, and football will take here is, because is, am, and are is one family. According to subject, we should add here. Here, according to you, are here. According to football, is here. And is, then it is here V4. And V4 is always taking being. V4 means after is we have used here being. And in passive always V3. That's why I have used V3. And by preposition 4 number. And what then object? What is the object of you? You is the object of you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Look it very carefully, everyone. If you are facing any confusion, just share with me. After this, I am giving you some questions. You have to change. Once again, if you have any doubt, just ask me. Any doubt, anyone? Are you ready for solving?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I am giving you some questions. Once,
We
one
have
thing,
to
one thing.
change them.
Yes, yes, yes. One thing. B3 after auxiliary verb. B3, it means passive. And always preposition. It is the also symbol of passive. But do you identify this sentence is subject and this sentence is, sorry, this sentence is active voice and this sentence is passive voice?
Yes, sir.
Would you able
Yes,
to
sir.
recognize?
Yes, sir.
That is very easy to identify.
Sir, in questions we have to identify which one.
First question. First level is you have to identify. The second level is you have to change.
Okay.
1 to 11 copy. Sir, we have to copy 1 to 11 again.
No, 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 no. I am giving you some questions. I have some questions. We have to identify only.
Sir, identity only means what we have to do.
Only you have to identify this sentence is active and this sentence is passive. It is very easy.
Okay. Sir, that will be our homework 1 to 11.
No, 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 no.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what you have right after passive?
Passive voice in the following sentence. You have to identify only.
Sir, burglar means
Burglar means a person who is just like a cheater. That is called burglar. You may understand that. Yeah, cheating person. I lent him my sweater.
Sir, what is written after I in 2 number?
I lent him my sweater.
Sir, in passive voice, the subject stand on the last.
Agastya Babu, please show your video, Agastya.
तो मेरा वीडियो ऑन है.
So who is the Babu next, Agastya? You have Babu login from to set.
हाँ, आराध्या
Aradhya.
हुई है.
The
The child was rescued by the zoo authorities.
Sir, child meaning is wrong.
yes,
CHILD,
the
yes. CHILD. Yes, yes. L is left. Okay, you will have to do it in your homework. Okay.
Sir, you will not give this. This is homework.
Yes, yes, it will be homework. Did you do
Sir,
it?
yes. Sir, what is written after the child in ninth
The
number?
child was rescued, RESCUED, rescued by the zoo authorities.
Sir, rescued means
Bachana, to save.
thanks.
Done, sir. Finally.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Just solve it.
Sir, I have solved also.
You have solved.
Yes, sir.
Sir, those who have solved, for them there is no homework.
Solved, they will get another homework.
Yes, why not? I am providing homework in WhatsApp group. Okay. Are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I am sharing there also.
Sir, I have done.
Look in your WhatsApp group. Have you got?
Sir, I have not
Sir,
seen.
no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. I have shared with teacher. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay. Concept English class. Okay, okay.
Sir,
Sir is
yes,
also.
sir.
Okay, okay. Sir has also shared there.
Sir, which book this is?
What?
Sir, we didn't got.
You didn't got?
Yes, sir, I didn't got. But sir, mine is done.
Where did you? Are you in the WhatsApp group, Concept English class?
Yes, sir, I am in the group. Sir, I didn't got.
Okay, you may contact Rajkishore sir. Don't worry about that. You will get your homework. Okay.
Sir, but
there
sir, I have got done
Listen,
that.
listen. Now be silent. Any doubt today's class?
No, sir.
Just look the questions. Would you solve that?
Yes, sir.
Would you face any problem? Any queries?
Sir,
Yeah.
I have done the questions that is written the
Yeah.
burglar like this on the board, but sir, I have not received. So sir, it is needed or not, sir? Because my questions are done all.
Don't worry then. If you have solved, doesn't matter. That is the
Sir,
same question there.
it means it have to come to me, sir. Sir, my work is but finished.
Okay, the next exercise has also provided.
Yes, sir. Next exercise I have got, sir. But this one, identify actors or passive voice, that I have.
Okay. Don't do that again.
Okay, sir. Sir,
But sir, we have not done 11 and 12th number.
बाबू
sir, 11 and 12, we have to do or not?
Yes, you have to do.
Okay, sir.
आर्यन बाबू आप स्टडी करने मन से कर रहे हो जी आर्यन
Yes, sir.
कहानी मन से स्टडी कर रहे हो बाबू आपके पापा जी से बातें नहीं रहा क्या शेड्यूल है नहीं है बाबू पता नहीं चलता आपका इस बार बाबू फुल में फुल नहीं आया तो बहुत पीटेंगे फाइनल फरवरी में बाबू कितना फरवरी से बाबू आर्यन 6 फरवरी से आर्यन
Yes, sir.
कितना फरवरी से बाबू
सर अभी डेट नहीं दिया गया है।
कोई भी एग्जाम रहे सारे में बाबू एकदम 100 में 100 80 में 80 फुल में फुल आई है स्कूल का लेवल नहीं क्या रहता जी 10 गो क्वेश्चन पूछता बाबू छोटा छोटा बात करते हैं आपके पापा से बाबू आपका इसका बाबू ओलंपियाड दी एग्जाम बाबू इसका बोले
Yes, sir.
ओलंपियाड का एग्जाम वगैरह देती है बाबू देखो तो एक उत्कर्ष है मेरे यहाँ बाबू
सर मैंने भी दिया है।
कितना मार्क्स है बाबू
सर वो अभी नहीं मिला।
उत्कर्ष देखो एक सेकंड क्लास का है 37 मार्क्स लाया 40 में 3 मार्क्स फिर भी खा गया
सर खाली इतना पता स्कूल में फर्स्ट है।
स्कूल में फर्स्ट नहीं बाबू नेशनल लेवल पे स्कूल में तो फर्स्ट आ ही जाएगा तो उसके लिए बाबू मेरे यहाँ पढ़ने की जरूरत क्या है बाबू नेशनल लेवल पे एग्जाम दीजिए स्कूल में तो बाबू थोड़ा सा ही पढ़ोगे स्कूल में आ जाओगे स्कूल में 40 को बच्चा रहता है बाबू 40 में 4 को तो पढ़ने वाला रहता है बाकी सब तो आना है जाना है चलिए ठीक है आर्यन बाबू मन से पढ़ाई कीजिए चेतन आपका ग्राफ डाउन हो रहा है बाबू आर्यन रोशनी बाबू सारा कंप्लीट कर ली रोशनी
Yes, sir.
Sir,